Pete'sTools.com.
G'day guys, Pete here from Pete's Tools. Awesome to see you here again today. Hey, have you fellas ever tried cutting pipe without a drop saw? Because mine crapped out the other day and I had to cut a couple of lengths of pipe, and yeah, it's real hard to try and cut it square with a plasma cutter, well I think so anyway. I come up with this little fix. You fellas have a look, tell me what you think, and as usual guys, you like my channel, subscribe, drop me a like, drop me a comment, and let's do this, eh? So I've just got my workshop vise here guys. What I'm going to do is just tack weld this little hose clip onto here, and yeah, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do with it. It doesn't take much at all, just a couple of little tacks just to hold it there like so, and yeah, let's get into it. So here's my pipe guys. It's galvanised, it's about 2.5 inches in diameter, and it's probably, well I don't know what it would be, 3 mil thick, the wall thickness. So we'll try and cut this off reasonably square with a plasma cutter. Might be a bit of a joke, but anyway, let's have a go. Now just open up your vise a little bit so your pipe doesn't fall through it. Grab the old sucker of a pipe. So it's going to be quite interesting to see if I can cut this off relatively square. So what you do then is open your vise just wide enough that it doesn't fall through, but it still holds it. Like that. Maybe we can go a little bit wider. You just don't want it falling through. See, too wide. So we'll come back in a little bit. Like that. Do that, it's quite steady. It's quite steady, it's holding it sturdy, but it's not falling through. Then what you want to do guys is grab your plasma torch and put it in a little hose clip here that we made. Tighten them up, and what if your hose clip is a little bit too big for the torch body, just wrap some tape around it or something. Wrap some tape around your torch body just so you can tighten it up. Right, now if you've got a remote switch for your plasma cutter like I showed you mate the other day, you can use your remote switch. I've got a video up the top to make how those remote switches if you want to have a look at that guys. But if you haven't got that, just tape your switch up so that it goes all the time. So it ends up looking something like this guys. The old plasma torch, hose clip, just tack it onto your vise. Got your pipes here, and just make sure that the end here, because this is a drag tip, is touching the steel on the pipe. And put your earth lead here on your vise. Just put it on the handle will do, like that, so it earths through there, through the vise. And let's see if it actually works guys. What do you reckon? You think it's going to work, or what the hell is it going to do? Let's have a go. Well, what do you reckon guys? I think that was a bit of a disaster. But it's, I don't know if we can do any better by hand, but it, yeah, the theory's right, sort of, but it just didn't work out the way I thought it might. I think what the problem is, it's too jerky, you know what I mean? But the theory is definitely there. My theory is if you can hold the torch, in one place, and you can have this rolling a little bit more freely, then it will work. I need to modify it and put some rollers or some bearings or something in here so I can get the thing to roll, if you understand what I'm saying. But I mean, yeah, I don't know if you guys have got any better ideas of doing it, but interesting stuff. Well guys, you want to know how to cut pipe with a plasma cutter easy? Well, that's not how you do it. I thought it might work a little bit better than that, but obviously not. we try these things out in our workshop, and some work and some don't. Anyway guys, if you like my video, subscribe, drop me a like, drop me a comment, and if you can think of a better way to cut pipe when your drop saw's crapped out, let me know guys. Anyway, thanks for watching, see you next time, bye.
Pete'sTools.com